Hi, welcome to Utilitarian TV. I just compressed this image from 3 MB to 72 KB, as you can see. So how did I did it? I'll be showing you in this video. So let's get started. Utilitarian TV. You can actually compress or reduce an image size using the WhatsApp chat application. All you need to do is to open a chat with your registered WhatsApp number and then send the image to the chat, and boom, your image is compressed. So do you know how to send a chat to your own WhatsApp number? You can do this by creating this link on your browser: www.wa.me/your phone number, starting with your country code. For me, I'm in Nigeria, so I will use +234 as the country code. Then a page will be displayed. Click on send message and then wait for it to open. After that, send a message to your phone number. So you don't need to on data network for the next steps. Select the image you want to compress just by uploading it to the chat, and then the image will be compressed by WhatsApp application. So I will select an image to be compressed. So this is the image I want to compress. So I'll click on it and then send it to the chat. And that is all. The image will be compressed. You can send many images to this chat since nobody will be receiving the messages. You can move the image from WhatsApp folder in the file manager. Just locate the WhatsApp folder and select media. Then WhatsApp images. Open the sent folder and you should see the compressed image. You can use this method for more than one image, and you don't need to on data network before you can do this. That is all for this video. If you found this video very useful, please click like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to drop your comment below if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.